How's it going, everyone? If you've clicked on this video, you're probably trying to figure out how to change the battery inside of your Ford key fob. If you have a Ford key fob that looks just like this one, then this video is for you. This key fob does work with many different Ford vehicles like the Fusion, the Focus, the Mustang, the F-150, and probably a few others. So if your key fob looks like this one, this video is for you. And it is a very easy procedure. You just have to follow this video step by step. It won't take you very long. So let's go ahead and get right to it. What are you going to need? You're going to need the batteries. That's right, batteries. There's 2 batteries for this key fob, and the battery code is the 2025. I will link these in the description box below as well as the comments section. So if you need to pick these batteries up, you can do so and then come back and watch this video. So let's go ahead and put those batteries down there for a second. And what tools are you going to need? You're going to need just a coin. That's right. I've got a 10-cent coin right here. You're not going to need any fancy tools or anything. Just a coin will work for you. So let's go ahead and get started. We'll put those down there for a second and let's have a look at the key fob itself. So first things first, you're going to need to take off this cover piece right here. You see this little ring that's on here? You don't have to worry. You can leave that ring on there if you want, or if you want to take it off to make it a little bit easier for you, you can. But let's go ahead and leave it on there, and you can see right now there is that little piece right there that you can just push down. So if you just put your nail in there, you can push it down. So all we're going to do is I'm going to take my thumbnail, I'm going to push it all the way down. So make sure you push it all the way down, just makes it easier. And then you're just going to pop your little nail into here, and you're just going to pull that piece apart. Very, very simple, super easy. There we go. That's step one. Next step is you're going to need to take the piece out of the bottom casing. You can see this right here. That's just your backup key. You can just leave that. You don't have to worry about that. So we're going to take our coin and we're going to put the coin right into here. And then you're just going to hold the bottom piece right here and you're just going to apply pressure to flip this up. So let's go ahead and apply some pressure. And once one of the sides has popped, you just put your coin under one of those sides and then you can just pop it just right out. And it is kind of lined up with 2 little hole pieces right on the back. You don't have to worry about that. There's nothing to pop out. Just apply a little bit of pressure out and it will just pop right off. And there are your batteries right in there. So take this piece, put that aside there for a second, and let's go ahead and pop out the batteries. We'll grab the little coin piece again, and there we go. We just take that battery out. Now remember which way they go. You can see this little glue area. You don't have to worry about the glue, but the writing side will go back down. Then we'll grab our coin again and we'll just move this little separator piece right here. Don't break it off, just move it around to the side. And you can see the way that the battery is facing on this side. So you can see the writing is facing up, so remember that. And we'll just use the little coin and we'll just pop the battery out just like that. So let's put our old batteries aside so we don't mix them up. And we'll put that down for a second. Then we've got our new batteries here, which I'm going to need to take out of the case. And there they are. Let's go ahead and grab these batteries and take that little piece, that protector piece, just off the back. So we'll peel that piece off. And we know that the part with the writing will face up for the bottom one. So let's go ahead and just put that in there and just apply a little pressure and that pushes down right in there. We'll grab our other battery right here. We'll take that little protector piece off. And now we have to remove this piece right here. So we'll slowly turn that around. We'll put that little separator piece back down. We'll grab our other battery and make sure that you have the writing side will definitely face down. So they're kind of back-to-back writing side with the separator piece. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in there just like that. And there we go. So we've got those pieces in properly. Grab your key back and we're gonna flip that piece over. And then you can see these 2 little aligning hinge pieces, and then those will fit right into these 2 little pieces right there. So we're just gonna put those in there. There we go, they're properly aligned. And then slowly just push pressure from the top, and that will just pop the key back in. Now you wanna make sure that you've applied pressure all the way around to make sure it's snapped in properly. There is little hinges underneath here that it snaps right into, so you can just kind of see how mine is resting so you know it's done all properly there. Now you wanna put your Ford key cover back on. This is a very simple process. All you're gonna do is you see that little hinge right down there, that's just gonna align into the middle right here. So we're gonna just have it on a little bit of an angle. I'll do it from the side so you guys can see. We'll just align it just like that. And then we'll see right now, you can see how there's no gaps, you know it's aligned properly. And then all you're gonna do is just apply the pressure at the top and it's just gonna snap back in. There we go, boom, snapped back in. And that is all, guys. Go ahead and test your key out, make sure that it works on your vehicle and you've done the battery process properly. And make sure you smash that thumbs up if this video has helped you and throw a comment down below. Let me know if this video has helped you. I appreciate the support, guys. Thank you very much for watching. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.